आई वांट टू आस्क यू वन सिंपल क्वेश्चन, इतना फ्लाइट का खर्चा करके आप आए हो, आपका पैसा वसूल हुआ कि नहीं?
100%.
और ऐसी सोच क्यों आई?
सी ऑनलाइन तो हम लोग सारे कोर्स अटेंड किए और रिविजन्स भी अटेंड किए, बट आई वांटेड टू बी फिजिकली देयर बिकॉज आई एम नॉट सीइंग, आई एम सो कंफर्टेबल विथ चार्ट्स टू बी फ्रैंक. एंड मेरा काम तो मैं लॉजिस्टिक हेड था, सो एनालिटिक तो मेरे असिस्टेंट करते थे, तो मैंने कभी कुछ एनालाइज किया नहीं, खाली उसको ये गाइड करते थे, ये ऐसा करो वैसा करो, ये चाहिए वैसा चाहिए. बट actually when you are front of sir, I think I'll definitely going to learn that what I want expecting. And today my mind is very clear, when to enter, how to exit, and why I should enter, with which what is the capital should be there. So that concept and that confidence has come today.
बट मुझे थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगता है ये बिलीव करने को कि आप फ्रेशर हो.
No, I am fresher. I have never done any equity. I used to buy and I got ESOP. I told you I had 1 lakh shares from Tejas Network, and we bought from 10 rupees to 65 paisa till 340 with the per piece of tax. So shares I was in share market, but I never did anything. The first share I bought is Times Bank in 1995, and that became HDFC. And that 5,000 rupees become 30,000. That was the first share I bought and sold it also. Then I was in pharma company, that share I bought it for 10 rupees and that become 30,000 rupees. This is the 2 trade I have done. Then once one of my friend told me to open the Demat account in ICICI. I opened Demat account, and that time in 2005 or 6, I don't remember. Sometime that time Sun Pharma IPO has come, and that IPO also we made money. It has come in 300 and this rate of 750, something like that. So after that, I was buying share and selling in the loss. All that things was happening. Then, in fact, in October 27, 2020, I decided to quit. I decided in April, but my company was not relieving me. So finally, I told him, whatever may happen, I want to leave, because 34 years in the corporate was horrible. So my concept is that I should be occupied for something else. So I was just discussing, both of my son and daughter both are settled very well. So I just asked him. So they said, Papa, what you feel, you do it. But what you are saying, you want to get occupied? No problem. So I was just going through. Then I told you somebody else, I entered that program, but that was a bullshit. While going that, money control, I just saw one video of yours video, and there was one small program was there, 642 rupees we paid, and then we attended one lecture, and I really like that concept and the way sir was telling. Then my daughter is a MBA engineer, MBA diploma in law. Now she's going US again. She was working for Deloitte. So 2 of her friends, they quit the job from one of the best company, and they started this trading. So she said, Papa, you go on trading only, and definitely you will do something differently. Then I started search this one. Then in between 3 months, I didn't do any this one, what you call trading, because I was helping my son for his establishing his factory in Pune. Then after second model, I told sir, I have not done intraday anything.
I remember.
Remember? Then first intraday he has given some, I don't remember that, and we made some money in that. So I was started intraday. But intraday was like that, daily you have to close it in the evening. It's a profit or loss. Then I was doing 2,000, 3,000 rupees, and I was just carrying out 2 hours, 3 hours, and then leave it. Then model 3 I wanted to attend, but because of March ending I couldn't do. Then I did it in June. Okay. So June I did it. After that I said, sir, I have not done any options. So you first go to the Zerodha and enter for the commodities and all that things. Then I did that, and now you won't believe it, that the market has gone 300 points. I made 25,000 in one day, and every day my target is 6,000 to 7,000 right now.
You are well doing that target.
Yeah. If trade is not close, I'll go for next day. My loss, I know in my mind. I don't put stop loss, because stop loss is always hitting and we are going the minus. You are paying this one. Once you told me also, boss, you are paying this one also, charges also. Why you want to sell it off and do it? And now I'm very comfortable. Just 3 hours. By 1 o'clock, I close my laptop, see on the mobile what is happening. That's all. And then enjoy with my wife or my daughter-in-law, like that.
Very good. What made you think that Bangalore से यहाँ पे आना है?
आना है, बस. I'm very clear in my concept. I want to go, I'll go. See, Bombay में मेरा sister है, brother है. I got my relatives here. And one more thing, whenever I come here, anytime I come here, I'll go to Siddhivinayak. I told you also that. So it's one more opportunity to come to Siddhivinayak. And I went back in July first week. So after that, I have not traveled anywhere. So I just this is opportunity to meet Mr. Sir also and other colleagues also.
So it was nice meeting you.
Mm.
मजा
Thank
आया.
you. Thank you.